friends, we are on Eureka Treasure Train. We're going to go with the Dynamite bonus. Maybe that's some good placement. We'll wait and see. 5 spins. Let's see what we can do. Got a mini cart. There we go. A minor cart. One more to get that top one. A minor cart it is. $2.50. I wouldn't say no about it. Get some sparkles. Ooh. Did you see that? Holy moly. I said, let's get some sparkles, and it said, here you go, ma'am. Choo-choo. Here it is. Minor, minor, minor. There we go. I'm just sitting here low rolling, waiting for Mike to post a video. 5 cents, $4.50 bet. $400, but $500 bonus probably. Hang on, maybe not a $500 bonus. Let's see. 458 bucks. Holy shit. Oh, that's stupid. All right, let's jump her back up. Sorry guys, I gotta bounce around here. I don't have a helper for the buttons. How do you guys do that by yourself? Well, you probably have a tripod. See what else I can get here. That was dumb. Stupid fantastic. We never got a, is that the first time we've gotten one of the progressives on the Eureka?
I think so.
I think so too. Made it look so easy. One more. There we go.
Don't give me.
Nope. There's no jokes. From rest of the night, you can't touch the games.
Are you kidding me? I was the one killing fucker girl.
Winner, winner, chicken. Don't touch it. Sorry, I just had to swipe them out of the way, guys. Ninja chopped them. And a karate chop them. Stay off. Holy cow. We're near got a stinking blackout. All right, what can we do here? Mini to start. 5 spins to fill her in. Bring all the magic.
Oh.
There we go, minor cart. 3 spins. Let's get it.
At least get that other one on.
Yeah. Come on, baby. One more, one more.
I knew it was going to give me that one. Just because it would have gave you the king, it would have been a major card available.
Oh, that's all right. The miner's now $12.50 because I jumped her up to dollars. Let's see what we can do. Can't believe I had to karate chop you away from the game. Bring on the sparkles.
That's nice when it throws down a 60.
That was a pretty incredible first sparkle on the last one though, $150. On a $4.50 bet. All right, guys. Keep it sparkly. Winema. Choo choo. $12.50. Choo choo. Come on.
Oh.
What's the chances of getting it twice in a row, right? Slim to none. Another 240 bucks. Printing tickets. Good thing I sat here, babe. While you were out doing work. Let's see if we can get it again. We're gonna win. We're gonna keep recording. Might as well. One more. Oh my goodness. Comes in 3s, right? We're gonna back and forth. $6, $12. Hope to get something on the 12. We need to double up. We need to get the double bonus with the expander. Hey, listen to Mike. I up my bet. I haven't won a 3 of a kind. All right, last.
Welcome
Whoa.
to Spin to Win.
Oh my God! And you got the bonus.
I'm sorry, guys. I jumped so hard when this went off. Let's check out the free play first. $15. Boom.
Another winner.
Oh my God, I jumped almost through the phone. Holy shit.
That thing is screaming.
Get out of here. All right, guys. Didn't expect it, actually. I said one more and got the damn thing on 12 bucks. Let's fill her in.
Come on. No dead spins.
2 spins left. At least we got a minor. Can we get a major?
Yes.
Yes, we can. And we played this game earlier, and I'm telling you what, I don't know what made me come back because it was not good.
It was terrible.
It was awful. Let's do the sparkles. Come on, come on.
Well, the minor's bigger than the major.
I still can't believe I jumped so hard when that went off. Scared the crap out of me. Ooh, 125. Yes, sir.
Take some more of those.
Yes, sir. 75, a 40. You know it. I'm glad I sat here, babe.
Yeah, me too.
Let me get another ticket here when this bonus is over. Hopefully a hand pay when I get this major. Another 75. Choo choo, choo choo. Come on. Still, it's over 500 bucks. 536.
Nice one, babe.
Christ almighty. Sorry, lots of moving around, guys. Bear with me. Bear with.
Go up to 18 now and get the bonus.
Hold your horses, kid. We'll throw it in the mix. Hang on, I gotta zoom out or I'm gonna. There we go. We'll go 6, 12, 18 for 100 bucks. So eventually our luck will stop.
It always stops in this one.
I got a little overexcited there. 3 more, 3 more. Oh, my sweet Lord. Last spin right here. All right, guys. We put in 800. I have a 536 ticket, a 241 ticket, and an extra 100 bucks on the machine. So I think I'm going to call it. I'll be back.